In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace your HEPA filters and carbon pre-filters on the Honeywell HPA300 True HEPA Allergen Remover. This process is identical to the HPA200 and HPA100. The only difference being that the HPA100 uses only one HEPA filter, the HPA200 uses 2 HEPA filters, and the HPA300 uses 3 HEPA filters. The HPA300 comes with a filter and pre-filter check indicator on the top of the unit, letting you know to check your filters. When the pre-filter is covered with dust and particles, it's time to change your pre-filter. When the HEPA filter has changed from white to gray or black, it's time to change your HEPA filters. It is recommended to change your pre-filter once every 3 months and your HEPA filters once every year. A common question asked with these filters is, can I wash or vacuum my filters? It is not recommended to wash your non-washable HEPA filters. This can damage the mesh of fibers that allows the filter to remove particles from the air. To change your filters, you'll want to first turn off and unplug your unit. Next, remove the grill on the front of the unit by clicking in on the top corners. You should hear an audible click as the grill is released and should pop out. You can now easily remove it, revealing the pre-filter. Next, remove the pre-filter. Once removed, the HEPA filters will be visible. Each HEPA filter should have a tab that you can pull to remove. The HPA300 uses Filter R HEPA filters and Filter A carbon pre-filters. Compatible does not mean comparable. For the best performance, use only genuine Honeywell Air Purifier filters. Compatible air purifier filter replacements are not guaranteed to offer the same performance or efficiency. All genuine Honeywell filters can be found at honeywellstore.com and will be linked in the description. Once you have your new HEPA filters and pre-filter opened and ready to go, it's time to insert them. Each HEPA filter has an airflow arrow on the side to show which direction these filters should be inserted. When inserting, make sure the tabs on the side are facing outward and not accidentally tucked in. Now that your HEPA filters are installed, it's time to put in the carbon pre-filter. Insert the carbon pre-filter into the tabs around the front of the unit to hold it in place. With all the filters and pre-filter changed, you can now place the front grille back onto the unit. To do this, place the tabs on the bottom of the grille into the corresponding holes on the front of the unit. Then push the rest of the grille into place and press in the top and left corners of the grille until you hear a click, indicating the grille is now locked into place. As previously mentioned, on the top of the HPA300 there is a filter and pre-filter check light. After you've finished replacing your filters, you'll want to reset these indicators. To reset the pre-filter check light, hold down the button for 3 to 5 seconds until the light turns off. To reset the filter check light, hold down the button for 3 to 5 seconds until the light turns off. For any further questions, to purchase genuine Honeywell Air Purifier filters and pre-filters, or to browse our full line of Honeywell Air Purifiers, visit www.honeywellstore.com.